Hey everyone, so lick 424 this week. It's pretty damn cool, to be honest. There's a lot to it. So once again, we're linking pentatonics, one in kind of like a ascending, descending, coming back on yourself pattern through shapes 1, 2 and 3, ending up on the root note of shape 3. You've got a natural minor run on one string and this kind of open string pedaling lick, which uses the natural minor as well. So there's a lot of scope within this lick to actually put into your own playing, and it does require some technique, actually quite a lot of technique throughout. But if you keep it slow, keep it even, it will work for you, no problem at all. It's just a case of really sort of slowing things down and then gradually building that speed as you go through. But the main thing is keep it slow and even and you won't go far wrong. These t-shirts are all available on the website as well, so Lick Friday, look at that, wonderful, lovely. And you can find other stuff on there as well. If you do like this, please do subscribe, hit that bell button. If you don't worry about it. And come and visit the Patreon page. There's so many jamming tracks on there, along with the one that's on this video at the end, the sample version. And there's so many lessons on there as well. So much stuff for you to subscribe to and use. So you won't go wrong. Just for $10 a month, you can get so much stuff. Thank you very much to all my patrons already, and I shall see you after the lick. Here it is now. Right, so that's it. As you can tell, it is pretty flipping epic. It takes a journey. There's a lot of it you can draw from to put into your own playing. So you don't have to learn the whole lick. You can take it in stages and maybe just try and incorporate it into your own solos and things like that. And it's basically just fun. There's a lot of kind of flavour and just movement within the lick, so it kind of teaches you how to move from pentatonic to pentatonic, especially the last two bars. That, if you're going to learn anything, learn that part of the lick itself. So good to learn. That's it. So I will leave you with a breakdown and the jamming track at the end. Full track is on patreon.com/Dan's page. As I said a minute ago, it is loads of stuff on there, so just come along, visit. If you don't want to be a paid member, you can be a free member and see if there's anything that floats your boat later on. Nice one. I bid you all farewell until the end of the video. See you in a bit. This is a bit of a beast. It takes quite a long journey, but there's a lot to it with all the linear sort of linking of the pentatonics and the natural minor scale, and you're going to learn a lot from it to put into your own solos. So we're starting with the 3rd fret on that first string, and you pull off, and then you've got a further 2 strikes after the pull off of that open E string. So that's 3, 0, 0, 0. Then you do the same thing with the 5th fret. Same with the 7th fret. Same with the 8th fret. Back to the 7th fret again. Back to the 5th fret. And then we've got a 6-tuplet run. On this time you're coming down from the 5th fret to the 3rd fret to a 0, so that's all pull-offs. And then 5, 3, 0 on the 2nd string, 4, 2, 0 on the 3rd string, 4, 2, 0 on the 4th string. And then, so that should end up like this. And then you slide into the 4th fret on that 3rd string, for basically leaving that for 3 and a bit beats, 3 and a half beats. Then you've got the 2nd fret on your 1st position of E minor pentatonic, so that's the 3rd string. You're going to bend it a full tone, back down to the 2, open 3rd string, 2, 0 on the D, and then from the 0 you've got a 16th note run of 0 D, 2, slide to 1 on the A string, pull off to the 0 on that same string, 3rd fret for the 4th beat of that bar. So that's kind of like, should give you that sound. Just, that's quite a nice lick all by itself. Then we've got the Natural minor run on the third string, not the first string. So you've got your open, hammer on to 2, 2 strikes of the 2 by itself, then you pick it again to slide to the 4, and then you pick the 4 again to slide to the 5, 5 to slide to the 7, 7 to slide to the 9, 9 to the 11, the 11 to the 12, and the 12 to the 14. Now what you can do with this, you can choose whether you hammer on or slide closer to the end, because that leads us into the final part of the lick, really, where you're ascending through shape 1 of E minor pentatonic, coming basically through into shape 2, sliding that through into shape 3, and then basically all the way down shape 3 until you get to the root note just there. So this one starts with a 12th fret on the 4th string, so you've got 12, 14, choose whether you hammer that on or not, then 12, 14 on the 3rd string, 12 and 15 on the 2nd string, back to the 12, 14 on the 3rd string, slide it up to 16, and then you've got 15, 17, this is shape 2 now, of pentatonic, and that's the 2nd string, 15, 17. Then it's 15, 17, pull off 15 on the 1st string, going to the 17th fret 2nd string to slide this into shape 3 of the pentatonic. So it's like, so all the way out to the dusty end. And then you've got 17 1st string, 19, pull off to 17 on that 1st string, back to the 20 on the 2nd string, 17 2nd string, 19, 16 3rd, 19, 17 on the 4th, 19, 17, and then the root note of E, and then, which is the 19th fret on that 5th string to finish with. So that's your 8 bars of lick. Epic, right? So I'm just going to hand you back to me. There it is. So at the end, please do go and have a look at these t-shirts. They're very nice. It feels comfortable. It fits well. This is a medium as far as I can remember. Yeah, they're good. They're really nice. It's just soft. Even my kids have nicked the t-shirts that I bought previously and said they feel so good, Dad. But, you know, that's it. It's what it is. Anyways, enough of that. Please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button. Please become a Patreon as well, because it does push this channel forward, whether you're under $1, $5, $10, and there is a $50 where you can get a 45-minute lesson with me every month via Skype or Zoom or whatever. That is all I need to say. I shall speak to you all in a week.